down here on Northwest 4th and Chantel, right next to the county jail. Down there, a little bit ahead of me, it's dark, you can't really see them. It's police line all the way down the end, pushing forward with tear gas and things.
My favorite move in GTA is
See what's happening further this way.
Hey, come on, Chris.
They're pressing forward down 4th Street, arresting people. At first they're actively enforcing curfew at the time. Press forward.
Upside down, bro.
Sorry.
Hey, don't get hit. Get your ass up the road. Yo!
I'm sorry for my people. I'm sorry for my people. I'm sorry for my people.
What happened? What happened?
I just no.
Man's got to cut this pulling back.
There's a lot of black people out there doing soft shit.
Hey, grab him. I'll get his bike.
All right.
I got you. Ready?
Larry, I got your bike.
I'll give up.
Grab him, please.
Ready?
Okay.
Hop.
Okay.
No, I'm good.
Okay. You gotta sit down somewhere.
Grab my battery.
I got you. Ready? Let's get you
Who
some.
are those fucking punk ass motherfuckers?
They hit
It's
you?
Antifa. They have black stuff and they have a white X on them. They have backpacks full of rocks. They were at the protest earlier. Yeah, that's why we look for people on bikes with X's on them.
Damn.
Oh no. No. We're going all the way on this.
I know.
We're going all the way on this. We're going all the way on this.
Fuck these motherfuckers.
All right.
Fuck these guys.
Larry,
Yeah.
get you to your house.
You got it. We can give you a ride.
I got the glasses somewhere.
I got
You got glasses? All right. There you are.
want like Band-Aids and shit?
Well, yeah, I got
Septic
like
wipe or
a broken
something?
tooth now.
Hey, can you hold this bike for 1 second?
Hey, cops broke my jaw too, see?
Yeah.
Wellness check. Now, where's your bag? Thank you for being here.
Sorry. So sorry. Luke! We got some people with pepper spray, tear gas. Actually, tear gas more specifically.
Everybody good?
I got contact.
No, I don't want to take
Thank you. Thank you. It is a bomb. They don't want us to leave it. They're trying to hurt us. I want to fight. I want to go
They push us back in this way.
The rocks.
I know a bunch of them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the armory.
Yeah, he's the army.
Yeah. What's up, sir?
They ain't gonna kill him. What the fuck, bitch? That motherfucker just said he's ready to shoot a nigga head off.
Spencer, where are you?
those not. Oh yeah, you don't have the binoculars.
No, man, I should have brought them.
They're still on top of the jail. I bet they have scopes over here. Hopefully we don't get ID tagged. And...
Yeah, I don't have my ID on me. I don't even have a state ID.
Okay.
Yeah, I will try to avoid like an encounter. So like, I'll definitely try to avoid that. So that's the police line right there.
I don't know. Let's go back over here. Oh, he's in the way right here.
All right, sister.
Oh, shoot!
That guy's playing a game.
Yeah. Ridiculous. I didn't realize. That's crazy. I need to get out more, I guess.
Yeah, well, you know, COVID, nobody would.
Jeez.
You want to take out to the corner and smoke a cigarette real quick?
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Oh, they said it's
Fuck the police! Oh, you dumb motherfucker! Let's go! We want justice! We want justice! Can you feel that? Hey, who needs water?
That girl that got carried away. What happened with her?
I don't know. I think she just.
Ma'am, are you alright? Are you the one that got hit? Is she okay?
Are you good?
She was hit with a, with a, did you see your eye? You need anything for your eyes? Okay.
You want this bag of ice too?
You can pass it on to the.
What?
I'll just pass it around like that. Get the ice on your eyes.
You got hit with one of the rounds.
Tara. Does anybody need water?
Thank you. Thank you.
Tara.
They shot me with the tear gas too. Look at my
back. Look what they're doing to us.
We're trying to protest, and they're putting a curfew onto a protest. That's
No, she had moved on. Well, what she said is that she, when the police fired tear gas round, she picked up one of the tear gas canisters, threw it back toward police. Police fired another tear gas round, hit her in the back, and they caused her to big
Oh, they're breaking glass over there. They're breaking glass over there.
Place, couple miles that way.
I got her fucked up.
I'm lazy that when
You think head up that way?
these people are moving this way.
They say because that's the only clear spot. That's the only clear direction now. This is the front line. A few hundred yards, couple hundred yards forward is the line.
Somebody keep eyes.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
It does. If you get hit with tear gas, find someone with a cleaner and rub it in your eyes.
Thank you.
Don't shoot! 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 Don't shoot!
They're testing the line and moving forward. Only a few people doing this though. Most of the people have headed north again, back to 5th Street. This is just historical interest. I typically don't go out to parades or gatherings or anything like this, but this is something a little different. I felt compelled at least to come and see. What I've seen out here already will be in a lot of conversations. There's a lot to talk about. Pressing the line forward.
These people are going in all the way. Pull back.
Don't got no weapons. Hands up! Hands up! Don't shoot! Hands up! Don't shoot!
We're now within about 100 yards. Now within 100 yards of the curfew enforcement line. These people are testing the line here. Why? Why are they doing it to this extent? Why are they moving to this extent? Forward and forward. It's risky business. This one here. She's strong.
Everybody back there moved off.
George Floyd!
We're now within 100 yards. But the line itself looks like they've repositioned. We're across the line, they're repositioning. Your point, man. Point, man.
No justice, no peace! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
You can see them in the tree line. A little bit hard to see, but you can see their movements. We're now within 100 yards. you have to ask yourself, why does this man do this? He knows what's going to happen at the end. Throw it. Just throw it. Just throw it. What's your name?
Hey, hands are up, hands are up.
Take
it easy. Hey, take it easy. Hands are up. Hands up. Hands up. We got no weapons. Hands up.
Don't shoot!
Hands up.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Hands up! Don't shoot! Hands up! Don't shoot! Hands up! Don't shoot! You can clearly see he's unarmed.
Come on, take it easy. Come on now. Come on. Hey, I'll up. Come on now.
What? Pull it! Pull it! Pull it!
Save it! Save it! Save it! We want justice!
All right, I'll find you.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! George Floyd! Save this! George Floyd! Save this! So they can hear you! George Floyd!
Hey, take 3 steps back. Take 3 steps back. Take 3 steps back. Take 3 steps back. Hey, we're not here to fight. We're not here to fight. We're just with the message. We're not here to fight. We're not here to fight. We're not here to fight. Hey, we're peaceful. Nobody's been looting. Nobody's been robbing. Nobody's been burning. At least I'm not here. All right. Fine, folks, fine. That's the problem with the police force. Y'all feel threatened and there's nothing going on. Look, I'm on my knees. I'm not even close and you feel threatened. You guys have guns. You guys have jackets. You guys have riot shields. And there's at least 50 of you standing right there. And I'm on my knees and you feel threatened. I don't understand. I don't understand. I really don't. I don't understand. I just don't get it. Come on. I know that not all of you are bad guys. Probably all of you are probably good guys. Probably all good guys. Nobody's shot me yet. Nobody's shot me yet. And I'm much more decent. Right? Come on now. Anybody else? I got one more water. Anybody else want it?
Thank you.
Question. Is this that way or this way?
Oh shoot, that is. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. Okay, we're on 4th Street. Yeah, this is that way.
That way?
That line, yeah, that arrow is that way.
Really? I can't go that way. Huh?
What is it?
Looking forward. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
There's a drone up there. I don't know if y'all know, but there's a drone up there.
Thank you. Thank you for what you do. Thank you for what you do.
Come on, hey, get here, bro. They're surrounding us right now.
I know.
Let's push in closer a little bit. They're gonna watch. They're gonna line us up. Take it easy. Take it easy. Hey, are y'all the military?
Keep going. Keep going. Move. Move.
Easy.
Keep going. Move.
Thank you.
Hey.
Keep moving.
Can we please and thank you? Clap.
Keep moving.
Take it easy.
Keep moving.
Take it easy.
Go. Keep walking. Keep going. Keep going. Move.
Watch out, man.
Move. Move back. Move.
We're done.